Hi there, welcome to the video. In this video, I am going to explain about the PHP variables. So let's get started. So before understanding the PHP variable, let us understand what are variables. A variables is a storage location which is identified by a memory address paired with an associated symbolic name which contains some known or unknown quantity of information referred to as a value. Or you can say that a variable is a container for a particular type of data like integer, floats, string, etc. So let us understand about the PHP variables. So in PHP, a variable is declared using a dollar sign followed by a variable name. So the syntax will be dollar name of the variable and assignment operator and its value. Let me show you how to declare. So you must first give a dollar sign, then you have to give a variable name, then assignment operator and the value of the variable, like whatever can be its value, like it can be 1, 2, integers, float, string, and anything. And you have to give here the value. If it is an integer, you can give directly as an value as an integer. If it is a string, you can give value directly as an string. If it is a float, then you can give value directly as an float. Like I'm giving here 1. So in this way, you can declare a variable. So I'm going to tell you some important points to know about the variables in PHP. As PHP is a loosely typed language, so we don't need to declare the data type of variables. It automatically analyzes the values and makes conversion to its correct data type. As I have shown you earlier, that you can directly assign the value as an integer or string or is float, or it can be anything. Then it automatically analyze the value and make conversion as it is a loosely typed language. So to declare the string, you give directly the value as a string. You can give like a string. No need to give the definition of data type in PHP as it is loosely typed. And for integer, you can give integer value like 1, maybe 2, or it can be anything. For float, you can give directly 1.1 or any float value. So the second important thing you should remember about the variable is, after declaring a variable, it can be reused throughout the code. And the third important point about the variable is, you have to use the assignment operator to assign the value to a variable. Like in the earlier demonstration I already show you, you have to use assignment operator to assign the value of a variable. So now I am going to explain you the rules for declaring PHP variables. The first rule is, a variable must starts with a dollar sign followed by the variable name. I already told you about this. And the second rule is, it can only contain alphanumeric character and underscore, like A to Z, 0 to 9, and you can also use underscore. The third rules of PHP variable is, the variable name must starts with a letter or underscore character. So here the $A is equal to hello. It's a valid. It's valid because it contains the letter $A is equal to hello. It's a valid. Similarly, underscore b is also allowed. It's a valid because it contains underscore. There are some mistakes. Let me correct that. So now it's fine. And the fourth rule of PHP is a PHP variable cannot contain spaces. Like if you are declaring a variable a, then you cannot give like space and b is equal to and its value like this. It should not contain any space like this, or like this also you cannot assign a variable. The fifth rule of PHP variables is that the variables cannot start with a number or special symbol. Like here, you can see here, it's a $A. It starts with an special symbols which is not allowed in PHP to declare the variables. Similarly, you cannot give $1A is equal to its value. So it contains a number which is invalid in PHP. And the third most important rule about PHP variables are the PHP variables are case sensitive. So if you write a lowercase name and uppercase name, they are treated differently. So now let me show you how to add two variables in PHP. So here the value of a variable a is equal to 1.1, and I am going to assign the variable b is equal to 2.1. You can give anything. So I am going to write here $C is equal to $A plus $B, and I'm going to echo $C. Then it must give me the output 3.2. Let me give here some string. Value of C equal to, and I'm going to concatenate using dot operator. Let me save this and let's see its output. As the value of C is 3.2. So using a plus operator you can add the value of two variables. Like in most of the programming language also you will use a plus operator. In PHP also it applies the same. So this is all about this video. I hope the concept of PHP variables are clear. In the next video I am going to explain about the PHP variable scope. Thank you for watching Technology 021.